Hi everyone. Welcome back to Crypto Horizon, your go-to channel for all things crypto. Today we're exploring the Gate.io referral code and how you can maximize your rewards using the code LONGLONG. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use this code to earn some fantastic bonuses. So, let's get started. First, let's talk about what a Gate.io referral code is. A Gate.io referral code is a special code that you can use when you sign up for an account on Gate.io exchange. It gives you access to exclusive bonuses like sign-up rewards and trading fee discounts. Essentially, it's a way for Gate.io to reward both new and existing users. But why should you use a referral code like LONGLONG? Well, the benefits are pretty significant. For starters, using the referral code LONGLONG when you sign up can unlock exclusive bonuses that you wouldn't get otherwise. These can include bonuses for signing up, making deposits, and even for your trading activity. Let's break it down step by step on how you can use the Gate.io referral code LONGLONG. Step 1. Go to the Gate.io exchange website and click on the Sign Up button. Step 2. Fill in your details like your email address and create a strong password. Step 3. Look for the referral code field in the sign-up form. This is where you enter the referral code LONGLONG. Step 4. Complete the sign-up process by verifying your email. Once you've signed up, you'll need to complete the KYC verification process. This is a crucial step to unlock your bonuses. Just upload the required documents and wait for the verification to complete. Now, here are some tips to maximize your benefits with the Gate.io referral code LONGLONG. Tip 1. Share your referral code with friends. Every time someone signs up using your code, you earn rewards. Tip 2. Keep an eye on Gate.io promotions. Sometimes they offer additional bonuses for using referral codes. Of course, sometimes you might run into issues. Here are some common problems and their solutions. Problem 1. Didn't receive the sign-up bonus. Make sure you completed the KYC process. Problem 2. Referral code not working. Double-check the code and ensure there are no typos. If issues persist, contact Gate.io support for help. To wrap things up, using the Gate.io referral code LONGLONG is a simple yet effective way to get the most out of your crypto trading experience. Not only do you get fantastic bonuses, but you also have the opportunity to save on trading fees and earn rewards by inviting others. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more crypto tips and guides. Also, share your thoughts in the comments below. Have you used a Gate.io referral code before? What bonuses did you get? We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, happy trading with Gate.io, and don't forget to use the referral code LONGLONG.